Hello! Traveler's notebooks are known for being extremely customizable for just about any use you can think of. You can turn a traveler's notebook into your very own letter writing studio. When customizing a notebook for writing letters, a 008 zipper pocket is your best friend. This is going to keep all of your writing tools, colors, and stamps secure in one place. It also has extra room in the back to hold your envelopes. A good choice for letter paper is 012 sketch paper. 012 sketch paper is perforated, so you can just rip it right out of your notebook once you're done. This puts every step of letter writing together in one place for you. It's got your pens in there, your stamps, your paper, your envelopes. You can even keep a list of addresses in the back of your notebook. Letter writing and handwriting is such a gratifying experience, and when we put it in this fun and interactive setting, it can really encourage us to write more letters in our day-to-day life. This is something you can dedicate to a whole traveler's notebook, or even just keep as a section in your traveler's notebook. This is just one of the many ways that you can customize your traveler's notebook. So, how do you use your traveler's notebook? And do you write letters? Let us know. Leave a comment and be sure to visit our website to get more ideas just like this. Thanks for watching.